we're scaring my mom. She's sleeping, and we're pretending it's an earthquake. I'm gonna shake that, and Mark's gonna shake this. Here's the sound. And then here's the sound of this. Okay, you know what? That's too loud. I'll wake her up before I get to do it.
American Express is passionate about the same thing. They're one of those partners I really rely on, whether it's finding new customers or a new location for my next restaurant. When we all come together, my restaurants, my partners, and the community, amazing things happen. To me,
I gotta find a spot.
This new energy is completely crushing my game.
I think stuff everywhere.
Exactly. Everyone's more energized, more alert. They've lost their respect. Last night, I got a dirty hyena, and she left in my face.
Oh, that's nasty.
Remember when I used to be it? I was the man. Need to track a gazelle down for dinner. It came to me. Oh, who's laughing now? Gazelle. Personal report of Neo Energy. Shake things up.
Progresso,
It fits.
fantastic.
Progresso.
They fit.
Okay.
Okay, I've been eating Progresso, and now my favorite old jeans fit.
Okay.
Is there a woman I can talk to?
Progresso. 40 suits, 100 calories or less.
What if the person who's meant for you is out there waiting? And what if eHarmony introduced you for free this weekend? Announcing the eHarmony Free Communication Weekend, Friday through Monday only. Get started today. Communicate with your matches free at eHarmony.com.
Yeah, it's the CRV. It's a 2000.
What's this?
That's the Odyssey.
What's this?
That's the CRV.
What's this?
That's the award for best resale value in its class.
What's this?
Also for best-selling crossover in America.
What's this?
That's a telephone.
What's this?
Water cooler.
What's this?
The sun visor.
What's that?
Volume.
What's this?
It's the steering wheel.
What's this? What's this?
This is goodbye.
Low qualified buyers can get an Odyssey for 0.9% financing and no first month's payment during the really big sales event. Real deals, big inventory at your Honda dealer.
Wednesday by Bravo. Jeff Lewis and his crew are just making over homes.
Do you call rich people hoarders? I don't know.
They're making over lives from the inside out.
How do you say thank you?
All right, when you guys are done, I have some asbestos I need you to remove.
Interior Therapy with Jeff Lewis is all new Wednesday at 9, 8 Central. Only by Bravo.
Eureka can do it all.
It's not that hard.
But there's one force they can't change. Their destiny.
We're shutting Eureka down.
Eureka returns this spring. The last season premieres Monday, April 16th at 9. Only on Sci-Fi's Powerful Mondays.
I'm fine.
It's done.
Fine. I'm fine.
How's the kid? What's his face is dead.
What's his face? He's dead.
Where are you going? What are you doing? That's not a souvenir. See ya.
He's taking it to King Woods. Left for hairy monsters.
Fatality behind Malone's Market in the alley. The animal has been captured. It's being transported.
No, let's go out.
Hi, Rochelle.
I am fine.
How you doing?